Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is July 19, 2021. Today we're going to be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil for you guys. I'm going to give you some of the major levels on S&P. Wendy will go over some of the minor levels, and then I'll go over some of the levels on gold and oil. For those who like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. For those who are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's get jumping into the market analysis. So for S&P 500, I got more of a major level of support sitting right here at 42.57. We dropped off quite a bit, so definitely pretty bearish here. Want to see if the market can come up a little bit. If we do get a little bit of resistance sitting somewhere around these 42.83s, above that for me is 42.93.25 and then 43.05 as the next level of resistance. Below 42.57, next level for me is somewhere around 42.40 and then 42.25.25. With that, I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll give you guys some of the minor levels she has going on with S&P.
Okay, good morning. Yep, Dave, I'm going to take your resistance up there around the 42.94 and then work myself down because we are bearish, obviously. So we're going to start at that 42.94 as resistance. Where is the micro peak? Hold on, my chart is thinking about it. Okay, I'm sorry, the micro support is sitting there at 42.84.75. That is the micro support that is off that leg of 42.94. But look what happened. It dropped. It fell below it. Then we created a micro peak at 42.75.25. However, the short might be dead. Too early to tell right now because we have support here sitting at 64, which has been holding for quite a while. So I'm not sure I would short anymore. I would wait to let it come back up and retest the micro peak number one at either 75.25 or we have one at 72.75. So I think the short is dead for now. I'm going to wait and see how the market reacts to those two micro peaks and then see if I want to short it further down below 64. But if the market might use this area as a recovery and start heading back up, we're just going to have to wait and see what happens at the bell. So hopefully that was helpful. I just want to remind our people in Discord, don't trade with emotion today. Trade with process. You do not want to trade like you need to make $1,000 or $2,000 today. You want to trade like a pro because that's what we are. So keep your emotions in check and trade accordingly. Back to you, Dave, for oil and gold.
Awesome. Good job. All right. So let's go ahead and pull up a gold chart. We had prior support sitting here at 1811. Gonna look to see if we get some resistance. If we don't stop there, look for the market to head somewhere up in between the levels of 15.7 to about 18 even as the next levels of resistance. Support under that's going to come in somewhere around 1806.6 and 1804.6 underneath 1811. So we'll look out for that on gold. Let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil again has been dropping off just like S&P 500 and gold as well. Support for me for crude oil is going to come somewhere around 68, 67. So we'll see if we actually make our way back down there before we potentially can head back up to 69.37. Got to break those 67s. If we do, we may see some more downside. If not, we'll look for the market to try to pop back up to 69.37 and then 70.25 is the next level up. Above that 70.86 and then 70.88 as the next levels of resistance. So we'll patiently wait here as the open bell comes into play. All right, guys, let's get to it.